Alright everyone, welcome back to another video of Year 4 Assignment 2 for CBA1. Now first and foremost, you guys go to my website, go to Year 4, and then check out my mock assessment for Assignment 2, because for Assignment 2 there won't be projects, it's more of a practical exam. Okay. So please download the resource pack because it has all of the files that you can practice for the mock assessment. Okay, now let's open up the instructions. Okay, so let's go to File Explorer. Okay, so we go to Documents. Please open your own file, okay? I'm gonna start off fresh so everyone knows how to do it, okay? Because you'll be in Documents and then your folder if you're using the ICT computer in school. So first and foremost, let's look at the instructions for Part 1. Create a new folder in your folder document. Name your folder as CBA1-2, your name, and also your year. Okay, let's do step 1 and step 2. Right click on the space of your folder, go to new, then create folder. We are going to name it CBA1-2, your name, and then your class. I'm going to do 4-1, which is 4 Dickens. If you're from another class, please don't follow, okay? Now, so if you're from another class, it'll be 4-2 for 4 token. If you're Blyton, it'll be 4-3, and if you're from Rolling, it'll be 4-4. Alright, so let's see the next step. And create another new folder inside CBA1-2, your name and year. So one for pictures, and then number 4 is also the same, but one for notes. Okay, let's minimize this. And then we go in. Okay, so it'll be in Documents, your folder, your assessment folder. Okay, so right here, we right click, go to New, go to Folder, and we're going to name it as Picture, and the other one will be Notes. Okay, Notes. Okay, done. So okay, we already done that. Sort the folders in type and descending order inside CBA1-2, your name and your year. Okay, we minimize this. Sort by type and also descending order. Okay, we're done with this part, okay, which is part 1. Okay, part 2. For part 2, move all the files from desktop into CBA1-2, your name and your year. Okay, if you're practicing at home, the files will be in downloads, okay? I'm going to show you. I already downloaded it. So go to New tab. Okay. If you're at the ICT lab, click on Desktop. If you're not, click on Downloads. Okay. I already downloaded the resource pack right here, which is from the website, you see. If you look at the website, this is the resource pack. Okay, let's do it now. We're going to move everything, okay? So press and hold Control, then press A, then press Control C. And then we're going to go back to your assessment folder. And then we're going to click on the blank space and then press Control V. So you paste everything right here. Now, next step, what we're going to do is move all the photos with PNG format into the folder called Picture. Okay, so what I'm going to do is click once, press and hold Shift, and then click Add CPU. So select only these 5 things. Then do then you click once and then drag into picture. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Move all the documents with PDF format into the folder called Notes. Okay. If you look here, we don't have anything that says PDF format. Okay. But we have something called Adobe Acrobat document. Okay. These are actually PDF format. Not, please don't choose the Excel or Word. Okay. These two are not PDF format. So let's select palindrome checker and algebra. So shift algebra with scratch and then click and drag inside notes. Okay, so we're done with number 3. Let's see number 4. Rename the file money spent as expenditure January 2024. Okay, let's do that. Click once on money spent, right click once, and then click on rename. Okay, expenditure January 2024, and then press enter. Okay, we're done with that part. Let's sort the files in picture by name and ascending order. Okay, let's double click inside pictures, go to sort, name, and ascending. Okay, we are done with that. Let's go back to see our assessment folder again. Not in picture, okay? So name and ascending order. Okay. Now the last part, which is part 3. Okay, part 3 is organizing the not organizing the files actually. It's called backup files. Okay. So create a new folder in CBA1-2, your name and year. Name it as backup. Okay. So right click at the blank space here, go to new, and then click folder. We are naming it as backup. Now the next thing you need to do, copy and paste all the files and folders from CBA1-2 with your name and year into backup. So what it's trying to say is, click here once, shift, click expenditure January. Okay. Now you do Control C to copy, double click on backup, and then Control V. Okay. Now next thing you need to do, rename the copy of picture as backup picture, which is this folder. Okay. So click once, right click, rename as backup picture, enter. And then for number 4, rename the copy of notes as backup notes. Okay. So click once here, right click, and then rename backup notes. And then enter. So that is about it. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like, okay, in backup, in CBA1-2, your name and your year. Notes is going to be like this. Picture is going to be like this. And this is how you are going to get marks for your assessment tool. But this is just a mock practice, okay? A mock practice. So the questions might be slightly different right here. So please pay attention, okay? Maybe in the question paper, it's going to come out, create another new folder in CBA1-2, your name and year, name it as photos, okay? So please pay attention to the question paper. It might look similar, but it's not 100% the same, okay? So this is just a practice for you. And it also comes with answer as well to check if you've done it correctly. And here is the resource. If you couldn't find it on the website, you can click here as well. So that is all for assessment 2.